People are doing all they can to keep cool despite the heat.
KCAL 9's Nicole Comstock live in Fontana tonight, where temperatures reached into the 90s today. Nicole.
Well, right now, you guys, it is lovely outside because we have a really nice warm breeze. But if it was too hot for you earlier today, you are not going to like what tomorrow has in store. It's the beginning of spring, but sizzling temperatures are already searing the Southland this week. And gusty winds are blowing scorching summer-like conditions into inland valleys from now through Friday.
I was like, oh my God, I'm sweating today.
Take it from these two guys pushing shopping carts over blacktop for a local grocery store. That heat is no joke when you're working in it.
I probably went inside like 4 times now, drink like 2 water bottles. They just have us grinding all day.
So if you also have outdoor work to do during a hot spell like this, doctors urge you to stay hydrated, take frequent breaks, and watch out for signs of heat-related illness.
We were surprised. We were really shocked that it got this hot today.
Patricia Tucker says the heat and wind are also problematic for her daughter's health because she has a sensitive respiratory system.
Yeah, because that wind really blows in all the pollens from the air. So this is, although we like the warmth, we're super concerned about our daughter at this time because the asthma gets a little bit uncontrollable.
What can also quickly get uncontrollable during these conditions are brush fires. Luckily, crews were able to stop an early morning fire at 3 acres near the 118 in Chatsworth. But this summer weather in spring is certainly not helping the worsening drought conditions that firefighters are concerned about across Southern California. And just a reminder of how dangerous it is to leave either a child or an animal inside a hot car on days like this when temperatures will be as high as they will be for the rest of the week. For now, reporting live in Fontana, I'm Nicole Comstock, KCAL 9 News.